Hi friends, welcome to the channel Dinesh. There is an information for you. Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institution Health and Medical Science. The nursing officer vacancy was announced on last year, August month. Now they have restarted the recruitment process. There were around 234 nursing officer vacancy they have announced. From the application, they have listed the eligible and ineligible candidates list. So those who are belongs to eligible candidates can write the nursing officer recruitment exam, and those who are ineligible, they can give their documents, or they can send through email or speed post to the NRIGM hospital. We can check the details in computer. Website Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Science, Shillong. So here we will go to the down. So in the latest information, we need to check latest information. The first one, second one, list of eligible and ineligible candidates for the post of nursing officer. List of eligible and ineligible candidates for the post of nursing officer. We need to click that link. So it will open another window. So in that new notification, list of eligible candidates for the post of nursing officer and list of non-eligible candidates for the post of nursing officer. First we will check the list of eligible candidates. So for that we need to click this link. So there is a PDF, it will open here. So this is Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Medical Science and Shillong notification. This is for information all concerned that the list of eligible and ineligible candidates for the post of nursing officer against advertisement number NEIGR E310/2016 PT dated on 26th February 2019 is given at Annexure 1 and 2 respectively. The date, time and venue of the written test examination will be informed as and when the same is finalized. The date and venue of the written examination is not confirmed, so that will inform later. Here the eligible candidates they have listed for written examinations. In case of any genuine grievances and ineligible candidates and eligible candidates whose eligibility are subjected to submission of respective documents as mentioned against, each candidates can submit their representations and documents either by speed post to recruitment cell establishment 3 NEIGRI HMS Modiang Shillong, or candidates can send email, that is neigriHMS.e3@gmail.com on or before 23rd November. So the candidates need to send their documents either through speed post or through email on or before 23rd November. After the 23rd November, they will not receive any documents or any email communication regarding this. So here the list of the candidates mentioned here, list of eligible candidates for the post of nursing officer against advertisement number NEIGR E310/2016 PT dated on 26 November. So these are the name of applicants. If any documents are pending to submit, it will mention in the remarks column. These are the candidates or submitted their documents completely, so there is no remarks here. In some candidates it is mentioned eligible subject to submission of nursing council registration. So these candidates are nursing council registration certificate needs to submit. So like that they have mentioned any pending documents submission here in remarks column. So around total 317 pages are there. Total candidates are 11,477. So for 234 posts, the total applied candidates or eligible candidates are 11,477 candidates. So that is about the eligible candidates for the post of nursing officer. So next we will check the list of non-eligible candidates for the post of nursing officer. We need to click that link, then it is open to the same notice here. In the list of ineligible candidates, they have mentioned not eligible, prescribed application form not submitted. So that the reason of the they are become ineligible are mentioned here. That is, they are not submitted application form. That is why their candidature is ineligible for the written examination. So that is why the list of candidates are ineligible for the written exam. So around 13 pages are there. In that, total ineligible candidates numbers are 382. 382 candidates are ineligible because of some pending action, or eligible application fee are not application fee not submitted, application form not submitted, like that they have mentioned here. If still they have submitted and it is showing here not eligible, they can send that details through speed post or email to the concerned address. Email address is mentioned here and speed post address also mentioned, but both of the thing communication need to do on or before 23rd November. After that, they will not consider your grievances. So that is about the Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Science, Shillong nursing officer eligible list and non-eligible list. So best wishes of eligible candidates. Prepare for the examination. It will be coming soon. So best wishes. Thank you.